This question little carefully you listen. Use graph paper alongside to find the coordinates of point S, point satisfying the given condition. Abscissa is 2. Abscissa ordinate. That means value of x 2. So along x axis value of x is 2 money here. 2 here. The point is given here. Along x axis abscissa is 2. So after going this, here abscissa 2 means this 1 2, and if this point is what, that 0 1 2 comma 0 is the point. Here 2 comma 2, a point is 2 comma 2. So in this point, a point 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Here abscissa is 2. So satisfying this condition, we are getting a point and d point. See here 1 2 1 2 3 4, 2 comma minus 4. Point D is what, 2 comma minus 4. So here also abscissa is 2. Any other point given? No, no other point. A and D given, no other point given. So from 1 we got 2 points A and D. Now see ordinate 0. Ordinate 0 means here in on this line. On this line any point? Abscissa ordinate. So ordinate along y axis. That means here you see ordinate nothing is there. Abscissa what? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 and ordinate 0. So B point abscissa is 0. Sorry, abscissa is 1 2 3 4 5. Abscissa 5, ordinate is 0. So this is sum number 2. This is sum number 1. We have got 1 and A and D, and ordinate 0 means here this point B only, ordinate 0. Then ordinate 3. Ordinate 3 means ordinate is 3. That means ordinate is 3. 1 2 3 here E and C. So sum number 3, ordinate is 3 means if I consider E point, you see how to get E point. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3. So 6 comma 3. E point will be 6 comma 3. This is point E, and C point you see 1 2 3 4 minus 4 1 2 3. So C point will be minus 4 comma 3. C point will be minus 4 comma 3. So these two only, 3 number. Now number 4. 4 number, the ordinate is minus 4. So minus 4, 1 2 3 4, minus 4. That means this point. This point is what? D. This point again D. Ordinate is minus 4, only 1 point. So it is 1 2, 2 comma minus 4. This point we have got in question number 1 also. See 2 comma minus 4. Here abscissa was 2 and here ordinate is telling minus 4. Then sum number 5, abscissa 5. So sum number 5, let us do abscissa 5, that means x 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Abscissa 5, 1 point we got B, and here A's point also. Here we will get A's point also. What is the coordinate of A's? Here. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 comma 5. So this is A is 5 comma 5. Now 6. 6, that is the abscissa is equal to the ordinate. Oh, 5 number, one more point left. G also left. So let us write G also here. What is G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5 comma minus 3. So it is 5 comma minus 3. Then 6 number. The abscissa is equal to the ordinate. Where abscissa is equal to ordinate? Here. A point. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 comma 2. Point A, 2 comma 2. A, point A, 2 comma 2. That means here abscissa and ordinate equals. See, 2 is equal to 2. Any other point? Let us see this point I. I point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 comma 4. So 6 is the abscissa is equal to ordinate. So we have got A 1 comma 1. I is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comma 4. So I will be what? 4 comma 4. So let me write 4 comma 4. So I have got. Any other point? A is also, you see. If you draw perpendicular, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A's will be 5 comma 5. So A's will be 5 comma 5. Any other? 6 number we have done. One more, 7. 7 left. So 7 number also let us do. This, the ordinate is half of the abscissa. Abscissa ordinate. So ordinate will be half. Ordinate will be half, that means y coordinate is half. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F is where? F, this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So G and F is in the same. Okay. Here you see abscissa ordinate. Abscissa is half of ordinate. So this point, half of 4, that is 2. Abscissa is half of ordinate. Ordinate is half of abscissa. Ordinate is here. E point. Point E. Ordinate is 3. Abscissa 6, ordinate 3. So ordinate is half of abscissa. E point, and here any other? No, only E point. Then so that's all. This is the sum. All the parts I have described. That's all.